Hello, friends. Today we will learn the first chapter of our history book, that is when, where, and how. Now, what is history? History is the study of our past. Now, what are needs to study history? The need to study history are: number 1, history educates us. Number 2, we can learn from mistakes made by people in past. Number 3, it gives us sense of identity. It teaches us who we are and who our ancestors were. Number 4, we need to know our past to be able to understand our present. Difference between prehistory and history. Number 1, prehistory. It is a study of our past before humans learned to write. Number 2, history. History are handwritten account of events that happened in past. Times and dates in history. The dates in history are counted from the birth of Jesus Christ. They are denoted by AD and CE, used to count date after the birth of Jesus. BC and BCE, used to count date before the birth of Jesus. The full form of AD is Anno Domini. CE is Common Era. BC is Before Christ. And BCE is Before Common Era. Decade equals to 10 years. Century equals to 100 years. And millennium equals to 1000 years. Naming centuries. The centuries are named as 00 to 99. For example, 2100 to 2199 is named as 21st century. Geographical framework of India. The geographical framework impacts on its history. The Himalayas. It stretches across north of India. It acted as barrier against invading forces in north. Many of these people were traders and travelers. Invaders have also entered India through different passes like Nathula passes. Number 2, the oceans and seas. The seas that surround India on three sides have protected from attacks. The long coastline with its natural ports and harbors has also encouraged trade from distinct lands like Rome, Egypt, Mesopotamia, etc. Number 3, northern plains. The fertile nature of the land encouraged the growth of agriculture. Due to this, Mauryans and Guptas developed here. Number 4, the Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is separated from northern India by Satpura and Vindhya ranges. For example, Cholas, Chalukyas, and Rashtrakutas were developed on Deccan Plateau. Sources of study. Number 1, archaeology. The archaeologists collect and examine human-made objects like tools, ornaments, weapons, toys, and potteries. Such human made objects are called artifacts. Artifacts provides vital clues how people lived in past. Number 2. Manuscript. The handwritten accounts of history by men are called manuscript. Religious literature. Manuscript based on religion is called religious literature. Secular literature. Manuscript based on other subjects than religion like medicine, law, etc. is called secular literature. Traveler's account. Manuscript written by foreigners visited to India at various times. Number 3. Inscriptions. These are words written or engraved on rocks, walls, etc. Coins and seals. Coins issued by king enabled to buy goods and services. The name of king and the year in which coin was issued were written on the coins. The study of coins is called numismatics.